Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, our today's video is sold goods on credit. Okay friends, a very easy concept and very easy accounting entry. So this is basically the basic entry that how you have to make a sales entry when you are selling the goods on credit. Okay, so in simple terms, we will follow the first method of sales and purchase, and that is known as voucher method. Okay, so go to accounting voucher. Okay, our topic is sold goods on credit. Okay, so for sales, each and every time you have to select as the key as F8 or sales. So as I said right now that we will follow the first method of sales and purchase, and that is known as voucher method. There are two methods in sales and purchase. One is invoice method, another is voucher method. So when you click on sales, you will get this page, okay, where you will get reflected as quantity, rate and amount. This is known as invoice method. When you are unaware about the quantity and rate, you have to simply make the entry under voucher method. So how you will shift to voucher method? You have to press the key as Ctrl plus V. Okay, what I pressed, Ctrl plus V, and here you will get as debit and credit, and this is known as voucher method. So our topic is sold goods on credit. Okay, so I will keep the date, then reference number. Reference number will be nothing but your invoice number. Okay, I will make it as 21. So buy means our sales entry will be customer account debit to goods sold. Okay, so buy means customer, so we will assume that our customer name is Krishna. Okay, okay, customer is always referred as sundry debtors. Okay, I will accept it. You have to give all the details of Krishna over here. Okay, and I have sold goods to Krishna worth rupees 1000. Okay, you can take new reference or on account, anything you want. Okay, we will be studying that in our next topics. Right now you have to just make the entry when you are selling the goods on credit. Okay, and two means sold, which will come under sales account. Okay, there is no specific item right now that which goods we have sold, so you have to create the ledger as goods sold only. Okay, being goods sold. Now how we will identify that this is credit sales or cash sales? Whenever you are taking, okay, sundry debtors, okay, whenever you are identifying the sundry debtor and you are keeping his name under debit, then that transaction will be considered as credit only. Okay, how come? So I will accept this entry. Okay, now let's see that how our books will get reflected. First go to profit and loss account. I will go to sales, and here you can see I have sold goods. Okay, and the sales are getting reflected in my profit and loss account. Now go to balance sheet. You have to go to current assets, and here you can see sundry debtors. When the balance of sundry debtors are getting reflected, it means that you will be getting the payment in future, and right now you have made that sales as credit sales. Alright friends, so this is the transaction that how you have to make the entry of sold goods on credit. I hope this concept must be cleared. So if you have cleared with this particular concept or you have liked my video, do subscribe my YouTube channel and keep supporting. Thank you.